Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. It is once again Boxycharm time for the month of March, and I'm gonna dig right into it, see what's going on in this box. You guys know it is a $21 a month service. They also have the Boxyluxe box that comes every other month. I don't know about that box, really. I don't have that box. I don't have a subscription to that box, so I'll leave everything down below, links and everything. I am an affiliate with Boxycharm, so if you decide on getting Boxycharm delivered to your house, please feel free to use my affiliate link. You guys know I do get a kickback and I appreciate that, okay? The theme of the month is La Vie en Rose. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, but that is what it says here. And let's jump into it. First in the box, we have two beautiful brushes. These are from the company Moda. It says that these are the powder and soft glow kit brushes. These two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and two-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. Now, I don't have anything from this company, so I can't really compare it to anything. They are both very soft, I will tell you that. And I do love the color, and I love the fact that they're pink. So, or rose gold rather. So I cannot wait to add these to my collection. So I am happy about these two brushes. And next we have in the box the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I want to say we got one of these last month or the month before. It was I had a deeper shade of like a red. This time it's like a sparkly pink shade. I have a swatch here in the video to show you. It says the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. The vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look, and this retails for $20. This is in the shade Monaco. So I don't think I have this one in my collection at all. That's why I went ahead and swatched it. It is a very pretty color, and I can see you using maybe a darker burgundy lip liner and then this in the middle. I think it would be very pretty. The next product in the box had me a little bummed, not because of the company. It is a company I've never heard of before. It's Appeal Cosmetics. So I'm very happy to be introduced to a new company anytime. However, the color, I think we had a similar eyeshadow color recently. This is a highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow, and it says it's exactly what your vanity is missing. The liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving it a sparkle that looks almost unachievable. So I did swatch this one, and the color is phenomenal. It is very sparkly and bright, especially against my dark skin tone. However, I think recently got like a gold in one of the previous boxes. I want to say it was like January or either February. So I could be mistaken, but I feel like we've already done this. I would have loved to see a different shade from this company, but you know, not their fault, but Boxycharm, like, come on. Okay, the next product inside of the box is from Wonder Beauty, and they have been in the box before. I absolutely loved their mascara that was in the box. So this is a Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. As you can see, I did squeeze a little bit on my hand so you guys can see it has like that pinkish tone to it. So going with the whole Boxycharm motif or their theme for this month, and it says that it contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green leaf tea. And I know I butchered a lot of those words, but you get the drift. Lots of good stuff in this mask. So I always love a good facial product. Cannot wait to try this out, and this retails for $34. And lastly in the box we have this CoverFX Perfector Face Palette. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. So I will give them that. It is nice and thin, travel-friendly. Here's on the inside, you have this huge mirror, and you have the shades on the inside there. All right, I did give you guys swatches of this, and I'll put the swatches on the screen while I tell you what I think. I'm slowly starting to understand why subscribers are leaving down in my comment section for Boxycharm that perhaps they should do like a survey telling them your skin tone or your skin type. Even if they just did tone, I think that they would do a better job in the face category, because I can't really use this in a way that a lot of other ladies could. It would look very ashy on my skin tone. CoverFX has beautiful products. When I was swatching, I was amazed at the softness and the quality of the palette. However, there's just a few things in here that I could use, and they're possibly all going to go on my lids, not on my cheeks or anything like that. So it's a bummer. So I'm kind of jumping on that train, whereas I think they need to do some sort of a survey so they'll know what to send you if they decide to do a complexion product. And that's all I have to say about that. If you've already received your Boxycharm, please let me know what you think down in the comments section. I would love to hear it. You guys know I always get back to you. Also, if you are interested in any of my merch, that is down below, as well as a free shipping link down below. So you guys check me out. Please support my channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next video, okay? Cyber kisses. Bye.